Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Just give me 2 seconds and we'll get started on the day. Today is going to be a particularly easy day for me as I am already up $9,000. 6,000 of that is really from yesterday that just kind of rolled over because I didn't sell. But still counts, you know. Still going to count it as a $10,000 day if I do have a $10,000 day, which I would like to have a $10,000 day. But let me go live on Facebook real quick. Uh, don't do it to me, Facebook. All right, it's doing it to me. 1, 2, 3. Maybe give it a second. And go on Facebook real quick. I'll just go live. They just won't get to see my beautiful face. That's a shame for them. Also, if you have bail money and you see me getting pulled out, I will pay you back that bail with interest and let you keep it when they give you back the bail. Right? Isn't that how it works? You get your bail back because they couldn't possibly charge like these mobsters that go to jail, $500,000 for their freedom when they're innocent until proven. No, you got to get your bail money back. Have to. If you don't, then no, you'd have to. Somebody would have already jumped on that. How that's a huge social injustice because most people that end up incarcerated are poor and can't afford bail and are usually charged bail like 5,000, 10,000, whatever the hell they throw at you. Unless you're in Manhattan, you pretty much get away with anything. Um, Manhattan and West Palm Beach have like the most lenient um, justice systems. Oh, I have to cancel the camera. Sorry, camera. You gotta go, dude. Remove. Yeah, I want to remove it. Why would I hit the button remove? All right, we better hurry the heck up because there's a lot of opportunity I see out there today. Um, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I have to get rid of this one too. I have to get rid of this camera too. All right, and now I'm on Facebook. Unable to find camera. Now you should be able to find camera. There you go. So now what I do is share screen. Default. No, let's use my headset. It's better. Testing, testing. Shit. Testing, testing. Please let me know, guys, how it sounds on Facebook. Uh, Good morning, everybody on Facebook. I'm sorry I will not have that big circle that makes me look like an orb in the corner today. I have to stream a new way, but we have an exciting day for you. Already starting the day positive, and that's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Um, might be a $10,000 day. I'm hoping, and let's just jump into the recap. First of all, it is one thing I want to go over before we jump into the recap is you can join our team now for the Trading World Series. And if you don't know what that is, you're about to find out. Use about to find out. Check it. Ill graphics. I haven't heard about it my entire life. So just saying, but go ahead. That's totally true. I am playing a video. Anyway, you get the point. This is the World Series of day trading, and that gentleman, that fine dressed looking gentleman. I wonder if he went through an audition, and what that audition was titled. Very white looking American. But anyway, if you win this competition, you get a $24,000 account, and then place 2 through 20 gets other prizes as well, like 160, and then 8 and 80, and then they're going to give out a bunch of $14,000. They're giving out $3 million worth of funded accounts. So it's not hard to make the top 20. Our group can definitely do this. And what I want to uh, convey to you is, if you sign up for my team, as the guy was saying, I don't want to look at it because it's going down. If you sign up for my team, um, here's a bonus that you have of being on my team. I use this platform all the time, as you can see. I'm up almost 8 grand. The market hasn't even opened yet. Um, Two, our team is an official team, so we are our first place winner just of our team. Doesn't matter if you get in the top 20 or not, but we will. You'll get a free $80,000 account, and then second and third place get a $14,000 account. And also, if you win the challenge, if you get first place, I have $1,000 that I will give you if you get first place. If you get second or third, that's like, nobody really cares about second or third. So I'll give you 300 for third, and 300 for second, and 200 for third. Okay, so that's real money, and that's pretty cool. And I bet you can basically see my cliff notes right here. We have a $40 lifetime special, but nix that. I'm letting the $25 special run until Monday. So you can go ahead and click on my page, and you will see the $25 special somewhere. Usually says final countdown expiring at midnight. That is lifetime. That's everything that comes with the text alerts, the 0 second delay, live stream. You'll get full access to the website, including the members only website, and you'll also get first dibs on. We are giving up shares of the company that will pay a dividend and that will increase in value organically. And it's pretty cool. That's expensive software to buy. I might as well have bought a cryptocurrency, is literally what the guy told me. He's like, you might as well start a cryptocurrency. So how and when we use this, it's not even a plugin. It's a program. Will be exciting. I was considering using it for the charity, but I'm gonna do a different kind of thing. I'm gonna do my own charitable trust. We're not gonna use a different charitable trust. So we're basically going to create a portfolio or a series of portfolios, most likely just one portfolio, and we're going to use a portion of everybody's payment as well as any donations to go into this charity. And then once a quarter, we will take out the interest, and we will use it to literally get someone off the street. Hopefully, it starts with one person, then maybe 10 people. Then next thing you know, we're buying buildings. And the whole idea of Walls from the Street is a charity based out of um, Florida called Homes First. And the reason I think that this charity is important to me is, people, I myself, I suffer with anxiety, which is a MDM, whatever, uh, what is it called? Mental illness, as well as sometimes I have depression. So a lot of these people that are homeless are, mentally ill, or drug addicts, which is a disease. I don't care how you slice it and try to say it was their choice. These people will sell everything, their body, their homes, their everything. They'll they'll give up their children. That is the act of a mentally ill person. All right. Well, it's now 9 o'clock. You know about breakout trading. You know about my passion of wolves for the street. And I want to make you some money today. That is my goal. Antonio Hedges already phoned in last night uh, his text alerts. He's taking the day off. It would mean more to me than anything if you would share my videos on Facebook, share them in groups that won't kick you out for doing it. All that kind of stuff is duly appreciated, and I notice it, and I've paid people for it before. If you share me to XYZ group, and then Taylor and Bill from XYZ group sign up, I'll give you half of what they paid to sign up. So you can literally make money sharing my videos. I will pay you money because every person that signs up, when I'm doing a promotion like what I've just discussed, I will ask them, you know, how did you find us? You know, how'd you get here? How'd you find us? And then they'll be like, oh, I seen you in some group. Which group? Oh, such and such. And then I can go to shares and I can see, oh, okay, Robbie shared it in that group, so he gets the commish. And it works like that. And it's quite simple. So share, share, share alike, and let's take a look. Okay, all right, so let's take a look. I'm going to show the text alerts. These are from last night, and they're from Tony Hedges. Um, let's see. Okay. Tony Hedges picks from last night, and okay, I wasn't supposed to. Ah, it's all right. I'll change the link next time. But his picks were, if you don't put your full name anyway, you get booted. So, anywho, anyway, good morning, everybody. I didn't get to my good mornings. Good morning, Jamie. Good morning, Julio. Good morning, Mo, Corey, Michelle. Good morning. Nice to have you here. Tim, good morning. Brian, Rockstar. And T-Bag, good morning. And Santos, good morning. And of course, Mark Keller, good morning. Um, all right. So, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Good morning to me, too. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So let's go ahead and figure out what we're trading today. I This is one of the promises I make. You have When you sign up for my group, you have a 2-week guarantee that you will realize that this group is worth 100 times what you paid to get in. If you don't believe so, you can leave. I'll give you your money back. No problem. You have 2 weeks. Uh, and so far, since I've been doing that, about 200 people have signed up since I started that special. Not a single person has ever left, asked to leave, suggested to leave. They all stay because they see the value. Test, test, test. Everybody getting sound? YouTube getting sound? Test, test, test. Facebook getting sounds? Facebook, Facebook. Demo account paper trade. Jim, I don't understand what you're talking about. And aren't you a member? Why aren't you in the private group? All right, so let's go. All right. Stop, 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 stop. I just did a promotion. Um, yeah, guys, if cops come in here and scoot me out, just go ahead and bail me out. I'll give you the money when I get out. Ugh, left an angry voicemail. You can't get arrested for an angry voicemail, but I was angry. Instagram. Can I go live on Instagram? Instagrizzle? There's probably a way, but we don't have time. All right, so let me go back to my Antonio Nasta, aka Tony Hedges, aka my cousin Anthony. He likes DocuSign at a 52.75 bid. He likes Lulu at 191. I don't think we'll go back down to 191. And he likes. There was one more. Zooms at 29.70 bid. Limit order, limit order, limit order. All right, so let's check those out. Let's check him out because he's very, very good at picking a stock. All right, so Lulu hitting 191, not going to happen. I don't really know what's going to happen with Lulu today. I don't know. I do want to take a look at its pivots points, though. Lulu. Oh, and TNAV, remind me to put that on the watch list. It has an interesting formation, and nobody knows why. It could have been insiders that sold off. The company might be going bankrupt. Okay, so 203.01 is the R2 pivot point for Lulu. 203.01. So 203 is the pivot point. So you do have a potential to go up to, I think it will go up to its pivot point. I definitely think it'll reach pivot point potential. So, I would say if it were me, entry point at, yeah, that's right. I'm up already at $8,000 on the day. So I technically didn't have to come trade today, but I want you guys to make money. And I'm in Roku calls that I'm going to lose money on. It's just inevitable. Had it had popped up to 170, I still would have lost money, but just not as much. It really needs to rally at the open. If it goes the other way, I'm just gonna sell and probably buy puts on those friggin' things. But love Roku, so I'm not gonna talk that way about it. Let me go ahead and look at my pivot point chart. Okay, 193.84 is the other pivot point. So those are the two levels that I really want to keep an eye on when it comes to Lulu. What was it, 193? But I don't think it'll go that low. So um, it's just way too low. I'll put it at 194. Create an alert as a potential entry. I mean, I think now is actually a good point for a potential entry, but this might sell off at the gate, drop down to 194, and that is that. Which has me worried, so I'm going to sell immediately at the open, lock in my profit, and if I want to get back in, I will get back in. All right, next one he said was Zumez. He said with a 29.70 bid. 29.70. I could see it happening. Let's take a look at the pivot points on Zumez. ZUMZ. Um, 29.70. 29.70. That's literally the R2. Um, hmm. 4 cents below the R2. All right, we'll keep that number in mind. 29. Wait, 29.70. And I feel like we could hit that, right? Yeah, absolutely. It might happen at the gate. There might be a sell-off that'll fill, and then I think it could go lower, honestly. It might even go to the R1. And then his last pick was DocuSign, which happens to be the number one stock on the artificial intelligence scanner trade ideas. It's got the most volume. It's got an amazing float. DocuSign looks hot right now. Um, DocuSign looks very good. His entry was 52.75. We've far outseated that. Guys, don't forget, a lot of people know, don't forget to sign up. We have the $40 special. Hold on, let me change that. We have the $40 special below, but if you click on my page, you'll see the final countdown thing and you can sign up for $25. That's for a lifetime package, one-time payment. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. BreakoutTrading.net is going to be the bomb. Damn, you know what? I have to get BreakoutTrading.com so I could say BreakoutTrading.com blowing up like Vietnam. If y'all know what that's from. I know, I get you. I was a high school rascal too. Don't see DocuSign going to 52. It's possible. T is possible on a hard sell at the open. So I'll put the alert there. And next, let's go ahead and look at stocks the way I like to look at them. Let's pop on Benzinga Pro. By the way, you can get Benzinga Pro pretty much for free. And it's an astonishing program. Oh, that's right, Beyond Meat. We have to keep an eye on Beyond Meat today. They were downgraded. The only person to ever upgrade Beyond Meat was Morgan Stanley. And you have to understand, Morgan Stanley did Beyond Meat's IPO and their secondary offering. So, needless to say, they had something to gain by Beyond Meat going up. It makes the company look good when they can issue a shit company like Beyond Meat. In terms, I mean, it makes Morgan Stanley look good when they can make a shit company like Beyond Meat, give it a low float, issue it to the public, and make that float that price rise. That's the only reason Beyond and Tilray and all those companies they had low floats relatively. So Beyond Meat's a shit stock. Morgan, it was dumping, and then Morgan Stanley came out with this upgrade. I've never heard this in my life. They upgraded it from 177 to 178. That was the dumbest shit I've ever heard in my life. Companies don't, especially companies like JP Morgan, do not move their target $1 when we're talking in the hundreds, and the stock was $50, $60 away from that point. So Beyond Meat is garbage, but these IPOs are rallying like crazy because that's the new thing. The underwriters are structuring these IPOs in a way that will make them boom, take off. Now, you look at Uber, you look at Lyft, and you say, well, why didn't it happen with those companies? Because those companies wanted to keep their structural integrity. They didn't want to come out with a low float. They didn't want to be, sellouts. They wanted to have a strong growth company. And those are two companies, especially Uber, that I would recommend you having in your portfolio for a very long time. That is like the Apple of our generation. You remember your grandfather telling you, or your father telling you, or whoever said, "I bought shares of Apple at $2. If I only held them today, they'd be worth 20 million." Right? Uber. I'm telling you. That said, let's add Beyond to the list. You suck, Beyond. Not Beyond. I mean Roku. It's pissing me off. I'm just gonna sell Roku calls and buy Beyond puts. All right. What else was on there that was interesting? Beyond TNAV. This is the company I keep forgetting to add, and I feel like there's a reason for that. It just took a massive dump, this company. Its pivot points are. Ugh, I'm losing money here. Damn, we dropped like $4. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? TNAV has a pivot point at 699. It's currently rolling around at 663. It hit a little resistance at 670. Yeah, this is gonna break out over 699. I like it. I like it a lot. Um, I didn't send that out yet. Well, that's a shizame. Facebook, and then let me give the YouTube one as well. What do you mean Uber is losing loot a lot? Oh, are you talking about right now? Is something happening? All right, give me a second here. Let me send out the YouTube link. Where the hell is YouTube? And if on Facebook you want to see my face by chance, huh? It didn't light up. Oh, there it is. But you still don't see my face. I didn't turn any of the cameras on. Golly, none of the cameras are on. All right, let me turn the camera on here. And let me turn the camera on here. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have some good picks potentially. Surprisingly, I don't see any penny stocks. Like no freaking penny stocks at all. All right, I'm getting very unorganized. Let me put you here. I'm gonna leave you there, and this does not look proper. There we go. All right, so DocuSign looks, it's got that high float, and we know it. So GCO, it's got no volume, and just a low float, but no volume, and it's expensive. TNAV, incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. We still don't know why. Does anybody know why this company did this? Does anybody know why? I mean, I could look up the news very. Let me look up the news. Wow, nothing today. NBRV might do something today. NBRV. I'm not gonna text out anything that I would unless I would personally trade it. And right now, the Lulu is my favorite, and I'm already in it, and I'm gonna get out the second the market opens, um, which might be a mistake, but it might also be an opportunity because if it drops hard out the gate from heavy selling, that'll give me opportunity to buy in. I mean, we know the pivots on the thing; we just looked it up. Alrighty. Zooms is up there. MWive. Riot is up here. TVAS, GCO. I don't like GCO. I don't like. This is just so weird, man. Would I buy this over 7? I need to know what's going on with it. Let me go ahead and look. Let me go ahead and look here. That's not the news feed. Come on. Downgrades Telenav to perform. Looks like it was downgraded. Okay, Telenav shares are traded. This is issued at 7:42 a.m. this morning. Telenav shares are trading higher as the company's press release indicates relationships with GM are strong and ongoing. Okay, so I'm gonna actually send out an alert. Come on, man. What the frick is the point of numlock? I hate it. Okay, we have about 4 more minutes until the open. One stock that I am okay with. This gold soaring within the last few minutes has me wondering if we're going to see the market dumping out the gate. So we'll find out shortly. Definitely see a reversal in trend and what appears to be a drop below. By the way, this is the 200-day moving average. So we might have a T-Vixable day. All right, let's see what the most advanced stocks are on the net. Really, nothing fits the five finger strategy criteria at all. Um, Most advanced. DocuSign is number one. NTGN and TNAV and Zoomez. Everything we were looking at. I was literally looking at this one right here, this NTGN earlier. Um, let's take a quick look at NTGN. Okay. So it's up about what? 16%. Love it. Volumes on the low end. It's a $3.40 stock. It's 340 now. So it's just below that R2. It could very potentially break that R2. Let me get a closer look. NTGN. Then yeah, it's above the R2. Um, I think that this is going to pull back to 301. That would be my order. I would buy it with a 301 bid. NTGN 301. Oh, sorry, that's not 301. That's 308. 308. Let's give yourself a little wiggle room there in case 315 limits. Yeah, and you could look at the stock's history. It doesn't seem to be one that has massive movements throughout the day. So I could see a move up to 246 kind of being its peak. But it tends to keep that candle filled all day. When it does break out, I see very little, you know, I see a lot of full body candles here, not a lot of wick. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and what is this BKLN? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I don't like it. Let's keep an eye on D-Silv and D DSLV because clearly commodities are moving today. D-Silv and U-Silv. Okay, we got 1 minute till the open. Watch list is kind of up in the air here. Market is taking off. Okay, I am immediately selling these Lulu shares. Ooh, ooh, they're popping though. Okay, I sold my Lulu shares. Um, okay, I kind of want to get back in Lulu now though. Sorry. I can't manage all this right now. Okay. I want to be able to see the screen, but okay, Lulu's like still taking off. Um, so maybe take a small share size, 200 shares. Ooh, but now it's coming down. Small share size, market, buy. Okay, I'm back in. Small share size, 200 shares, which is pretty much what I had. So that's kind of dangerous, but I think I'm okay because why is this all messed up? I was trying to hide my account number. There we go. All right, so let's just let that ride for a little bit. I don't want to go in too heavy because I don't want to lose my gains, but I'm thinking of averaging down because I'm currently down 228. Should I average down? All right, let's look at TNAV. I'll average down 100 more shares. All right. This is the wrong one to be looking at. Where is it? Why do I? Kind of an annoying open here. Okay, Roku's taking off. Good. I need that. Let me see if I can't get these crappy options out of my hair. Ugh, I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. We knew I was down 170 yesterday. Now it's positive. Yeah, but I would rather sell these. See, what I'm gonna do is I taught this yesterday is just put a ridiculous price on it, and you might get filled. But then again, I might regret that later. What the hell's Roku doing? Okay, yeah, it looks like it had a pop, and now it dropped. Zoom has going down. It's okay. A lot of these stocks, remember, we wanted them to go down out the gate, like DocuSign. We wanted them to hit a pivot point. I'm assuming the market is going down because it looks like everything else is going down. All right, very good. I got a text alert for you. Ooh, ooh, I lost some money here. Let me look at Roku for a minute. Ooh, huh. Okay. I'm just taking positions. I'm not recommending anybody take these positions, but except for this one. Okay. TVIX. Two. How much money do I have left in here? 4,000. God. I sent out the alert to buy these. No wonder it's not buying. It's not even on limit. Okay. I gotta get rid of something here. Beautiful, beautiful. Out of Lulu. Made $9,240 on Lulu. Great trade, great trade, great trade. By the way, guys, in case you didn't know, you can get this platform, our program right now for $40. That gets you. Ooh, what a bad time to get out of Lulu. It's going right to its pivot point. Roku's killing me. And how much did I lose? Should have took the $5 off the table. Son of a bitch. Wow. But this is a good buying opportunity. All right, what am I buying here? Lulu just crushed it just now. Crushed it. And I literally missed it. Its pivot point was right around that level too. 202. But the market looks like it's going down for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and in the wrong account. All right, let's take a look at everything else real quick. Um, okay. Lulu's taking off as we know. Beyond is dumping as we know. TNAV is dumping. Um, I'm wondering if Beyond is going to continue to dump. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm just looking, guys, for opportunity. look delicious. But I gotta be patient right now. I think the key is here to be somewhat patient. DocuSign hit its pivot and bounced. What did Antonio say to get in at? Antonio DocuSign 52. No, you wouldn't have got it. Not on that bid. That bid needed to be readjusted. Roku's popping now. Damn it, man. Okay. Starting to see a pullback right at the pivot. That is crucial. Fuck. Cudlow's on TV and I didn't even notice. And I'm in the TVIX right now. Okay, Roku. Okay, okay, okay. There we go. Lulu, how you looking? You gonna blow the pivot? I think Lulu's gonna blow the pivot, man. That's a good option to buy right there. But it's already so erect. I don't know. I'm comfortable with my gains on Lulu. I don't need to be greedy. There we go, Roku. There we go. Market's gonna fall down. Roku's gonna pop up. Sorry, I'm trying to read your questions. Unless it's news. Listen, it's not for me to be here to boast. You know what I'm saying? That's not what I'm doing here. Um, but fuck yeah! No, I'm just kidding. Woo! It's like a comedy in my head. Wow, this option is now worth more than I paid for it yesterday. So we broke through the theta, through everything. How high are you gonna go today, Roku? Don't make me sell you early, Roku. But don't make me take a loss, Roku. Don't do it to me, Roku. Sorry. Ooh, 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 ooh. You son of a bitch. Here comes the market down. That usually drives Roku up. That usually drives the market up. So hopefully the market can continue up. I'm gonna add to TVIX 2000. Okay. Um, Roku. By the way, guys, sign up for our text alerts and you'll be able to get amazing trades like these before they already happen. It's a great thing to do. Sign up today. Click the link. Just click the link. Um, okay, good. Roku's popping back up. I didn't text out Roku. I wouldn't text it out now anyway. I feel like it's too extended. And I'm in this from yesterday still. So if you took it with me yesterday, my advice when people asked was not to leave it. Wow. What the fuck? Oh, that's TVix. Okay, I got out of that. I thought that was Roku. I was so pissed. Okay, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. You guys know what I'm aiming for, right? Last time I did this, I got screwed. Um, if I didn't screw myself with TVix, I would have been there already. Damn it. All right, let me take a partial on Roku. I have to. I can't just let that run like that. Ugh, it was just up at 1,000. Go up to 1,000 again, please. I wish stocks were British so they could be more polite. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so let me take my partial now. Take my partial. I'm at 169. Can we go to 170 today? I think we can. I think that's where we're headed. We're not going to stop at 169. We're going to have to test 170 now. Come on, pop up. Come on. It's teetering on that 169 line. Okay, we broke 169. We hit new highs. I'm at my 1,000 mark. There we go. These options are going to sell for a profit. Damn it. I have to use this other screen here. Crap. Beyond look, DocuSign looks really good right now. It looks like it's cup and handling. What a waste of a trade. Okay, there we go, baby. There we go. Okay, that one filled. That one filled. Come on, baby boy. Come on, baby boy. Keep going, Roku. What the? Why does it keep doing that? I will not quit on you, Roku. I was actually I got upset before. Woo! I don't know how that happened. Oh my God. All right, let me tell you what happened. Beyond Meat was taking a dive. So, I'm not going to lie. I bought a put. Or so I thought I did. Check this out. It was a call. And I was putting my limit in on what I thought was my stop. And I was just, dude, I'm doing too much at once. And it stopped me out. But no, it sold my call for a profit. But I literally thought that I bought a put. That is so crazy. I'm so used to buying calls that I bought a call. And it actually worked out in my favor. Hmm. I mean, I'm not rolling in it, but it worked out in my favor. I didn't put out a Roku trade because it happened so fast. I didn't want anybody to chase the gap, but I would put one out, and I'm gonna put one out right now. It's an if order. So you're obviously waiting for Roku to see if it can break a certain level, and I think you know what level that is. I should have held on to that because it looks like Beyond's taking off. Beyond has that does that formation a lot. It does that drop at the open and then followed by an upswing for the rest of the day. Oh, and Roku's only up 1%. Let it ride, baby. Let it ride. I got money to invest, but don't know where to invest it. Roku looks the best. It really does. I'm gonna do a Roku options one as well. Damn it. It's happening now. I missed it. Well, you can catch the break at 170, that's for sure. That was the previous text alert. 170 entry. And my account is up, position. Oh my god, I was there for a minute. It's alright, we're gonna break it. Alright, it's good. I want it to go down. I need prices of these options to go down. We're looking at the September 13th, 150 strike. it's gonna break. So all right, here we go. We're getting ready to break 170. I'm up 10,000. I'm waiting for the break so I can get a solid. Because if I hit market sell right now, it might not fill me at up 10,000. Position. We're going to break it. 170. Here we go. Here we go. Good entry now. Good entry if you want to pick up some of those options. It's literally a dollar cheaper. Sent in the text alerts. 150, go 1 week out. You only have to go a week out, but obviously we're not holding these overnight. Looks like the market's taking a bit of a dive, and I want to take advantage of that. Great buying opportunity. Matter of fact, I might make an augmentation here. All right, right here. This is where it's going to break 170. You want to get your options here. You want to pick up more stock here. I mean, whatever. Looks like the freaking TVIX. Good thing I only got 300 shares. I didn't mean to get no 300 shares. I keep making mistakes that are working in my favor today. It's like I couldn't frick up this $10,000 day. How hard I tried. Come on, stupid $588. It's gotta go, man. Is Lululemon still surging? No, it hit its pivot and bounced. It might. It now. We have to look at its other pivot, which is down at 190 something, 192. E. I've been trading Lulu since yesterday. Lulu went up 8 points yesterday. So after I took a big hit on everything, I basically went all in on Lulu, and then I sold 80% of my shares, held those overnight, and then sold them this morning. So it was a long journey. You're not allowed to hold them. You can try, but they'll just sell them off. And if they're nice, they'll sell them off, like, and still leave you with the 20%, or they could just sell you out completely. So I always make sure I put 20% of my account when I do that. Make sure you have this nearby. And it was also sent out in the text alerts to buy Lulu. Twice. Twice. I never do that with text alerts. By the way, guys, if you want to sign up for our text alerts, you can sign up for our text alerts right now by simply clicking one of the links that you see around you, um, and be with the winners. Because if you look at my record, you'd be fucking amazed. And if you're not happy, just let me know. You have 2 weeks to leave. The only people that can see this camera, which I'm like, gesturing towards, are people that have already signed up. So I should be gesturing towards this camera. And now you guys get to watch me eat 2 victory donuts. Wait, not yet. I have to hit 10,000 on the day. Right now I'm at 9,401. And you know what I'm going to do with this money? You know what I'm going to do with this money? The 10,000? I'm going to give it to all my breakout traders. You guys deserve it. You're going to have all of it. I'm just going to send it right to your PayPal accounts. Yeah. That's what we'll do. Every time I have a $10,000 win, I'll give it to the breakout traders. I'll split it up. Let's see. That comes to only premier breakout traders. So that's $2,000 each. Wow, guys, $2,000. You are welcome. Sign up today, $40 for my group. You know what's funny though? This money, commissions, and what they'll take from Tradenet is in reality like $6,000, even though they only take 15% out of my account. It really comes out that way. I don't know why. I don't know how. And I don't care. What I do care is these are both 2 chocolate donuts. Now, they both look alike, but that wouldn't work. You need a vanilla and a chocolate donut. I will never forget this exercise my teacher did when I was a kid. Um, she took a brown egg and she took a white egg and she says, "See how this egg is brown?" You see how this egg is white? She cracked them both in a bowl. She's like, look, they're the same on the inside. And what she was gesturing towards was, or referencing to rather, was race, and skin color. On $10,000 in winnings, yeah, with commissions, maybe you'll get seven. But I trade very active. I'm an active trader. So I like to get back out. I like to get out, get back in, get out, get back in, get out. So to me, that costs me a lot of money. But if you're the kind of trader, that's why I'm being conservative on Roku and just kind of letting it do its thing. Um, but it looks like that doesn't seem like that's the best decision. See, what I should have done is when this was up 1,000, sold 750 shares, and then or whatever, $750 worth of whatever shares, and then on a pullback, buy back in, and then get. That's how I like to trade. But if you active trade like that, your commissions will add up. We trust me. And that's another way you can get in my group for free, guys. Is if you sign up for. Oh, might be time to get out of Roku. Damn it! It was donut time. No, I'm not getting out. It's gonna pop up here. Look at this freaking amazing. All right, donut time again. But creepy slow eating donut time. Facebook! What's going on? You guys got any questions? Enrique, you have a membership too. Why don't you come to the. We did a poll in my group. I'm just going to keep touting my group on how amazing our text alerts are. Um, Regardless of what you paid, whether you paid $25, whether you got in your group for free, or whether you paid $150, would you sell your group membership? We did a poll. Um, would you sell your group membership for $20,000? And on the poll, 5% said yes. 95% said no, they would not sell their account membership, which some of them paid $25 for $20,000. Now I don't know if they were just trying to be nice to me, but I don't think so. I don't think that's what it was. I will sit and work with you. If you suck at trading, I will sit and work with you until I can make you better. That is my promise. And that comes standard. Although now that the group is like 400 plus members, it's getting harder and harder to do that, but I still always try. And I'm a very non judgmental person. So when I meet people over the phone to do these interviews, consultations, okay, this is bad. This is really bad. This is going to come down hard here. Why did it do that? Potential good entry, though. I can't believe I did that, man. I made a second mistake today. I'm making too many freaking mistakes and it's annoying me. God damn. I'm taking advantage of this time here. I made a stupid, stupid mistake. I'll show you right now. Fuck. I bought, I thought I was buying, so I thought I was buying a Roku option and I bought the stupid Beyond Call again. I accidentally bought a Beyond Call twice in one day and it's doing horrible. Of course it is. The stock is going to tank today. Although, if you look at the formation, I can probably catch it on a pop, get out unscathed. Got some text in from Tony Hedges. Ooh, I guess I should have been sending these out a long time ago. He really likes Zooms, ZUMZs. If DOCU goes to 53.75 later in the day, jump in. ZUMZ buy at 29.30. Now let me leave you open. Now that I'm invested in you, you piece of crap. ZUMZ. All right, ZUMZ. He said what? Add average down, don't get out. So he says buy in pretty much right now. Average down, don't get out. All right. What do you say? 29.30. I post his alerts because I trust this man like I trust my own father. So let me put this stuff in. This guy knows so much about finance, and it's a hedge fund manager. He works at a firm right now. He's working at a firm, texting me to put on this group. You guys don't realize how big this is. We're going into the city one day. Oh, okay. There you go. That's your buy point. Okay, I knew Ruku was gonna go back up here. I'm adding in 500. Buy. It's okay. You can go down a little. I'll take it. This is going to break over 170. Absolutely. It's going all the way to 190 in reality. And Beyond Meat suck. I hope Beyond Meat magically doesn't suck all of a sudden. His advice was don't sell, average down. So I'm going to listen to him. I'm add here, market. Let's go 100 shares. If it breaks 29, I have to add. But I don't think it will. All right, tap 29. I'm adding. All right. Now it should pop off. Let me put the stop in. Stop is going to be at 29, but not for all my shares. I just put in 1,000 to average down because I felt like I was way too high and it only brought me to 29.20. So I'm going to sell 1,200 shares. Stop price if it goes below 29. Let me go to 84. Let's sell. That's a descending triangle on. What a stupid mistake. But you know what? That same mistake made me $20, lost me, oh, 50. All right, so on the day, I'm only losing 30 on Beyond. I can live with that. All right, so this is a good entry here. We're taking off or what? I'm just going to sit there. Bounce coming, zooms in. I'm just going to send you the whole thing. Okay, he was right. Here's the bounce. Nice, 50-cent bounce. If it breaks that 50 cents, I think I could say it's safe to take the stop loss off. Okay, we have a target. Okay, take your first exit at 30.40. Let me put that in the thing. We get an info from Wall Street, y'all. What other group does that? Nobody. None. Transparent traders, you suck. All right. Tony Hedges. What do you mean? Can't go back to the intraday highs? I don't know what the fuck the intraday highs were. I wasn't paying attention. Um, $30. Or it could fail right here. Why? Roku's my best friend. Why is Roku not your friend? If you can't be friends with Roku, I can't be friends with you. We've been best friends forever. Like I did, if you could, like what happened with Roku? Don't you think? Are you worried about Roku right now? You are golden. I'm gonna add to Roku right now. I love it. I love it. Position. Add 200 shares. You think we're going down? Hell no. We rocking right now. Look, she's getting ready to pop past new highs in 2 minutes, faster than you've ever seen in the middle of the day. Okay. Uh, so check it out. We got a new alert from Hedges. Oh shoot, another entry. What I tell you, dog? What I tell you, dog? You know I know this. How'd I know it was gonna pop there? Because I know the stock. I know how she works. I was just telling Benjamin. I don't know if you're in the group, Benjamin. Last night, when I went to NSL, I was told that we'd be trading, and we'd be basically trading against each other. Back then, they had the Google Trade Simulator. That thing was the best. I grew up on Google Trade Simulator. Used to trade on it before I could even, open an account. Long story short, yeah. Tell me, Roku is not your friend right now. Um, Long story short, I think I'm gonna like trade all these different stocks. I got my portfolio ready in my mind, and they're like, "No, you have to pick one stock, hon. Just pick one stock, hon." And I was like, "All right." I was like, "I'll pick, Facebook." I just picked a random stock then. Or what was it? It might have not been Facebook. Was it Facebook? It was either Facebook or Microsoft. One of those two. And anyway, bottom line is a great trading method is to pick a stock and make it your stock. Like I had a buddy that used to do that with Tiva. He would only trade Tiva. And, you make it your stock. That way, you can understand it. It's like a dog. A stock is like a dog. You get your dog. If I go, Jade, oh my God, come here. She's literally going to do nothing and just lay there, just like I trained her. What? Come here. It's your baba. It's your baba. If I do that, she gets a little, it's your baba. Okay, Doc U, he's saying get in. Um, DocuSign, he's saying get ready to get in. His entry was, I didn't text this out, 53.75. What? He can't mean 53.75. Wow, look at the market. Wait, I'm confused. I think he meant 55.75 maybe. What was Zoom's exit target? Oh yeah, shoot, sorry. Zoom's exit target was 30.40. It's rich. It's actually just below the intraday highs. But you can always use your own discretion. If you're happy with $500, you can sell at $500. But I would listen to Antonio. Lulu broke. Lulu broke its pivot point. Wow. I should have just stayed in that. Oh, okay, okay. Beyond Meat turned around. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. I don't know how that happened. Okay, I am. Where am I on Zooms? I'm pretty happy on Zooms right here. But he's saying wait to 3040. And I'm gonna take a partial, man. I'm gonna sell those 1,000. Market sell. Uh-oh. Good thing I didn't sell. We're about to break. Good pick. Good pick, Antonio. He's saying stay put. I'll rip. It'll. Oh, it'll rip. Okay. Well, on his computers and shit, it shows all the volume that's trying to come in. Like sometimes when there's a $500,000 order or 500,000 share order, it just sits on a broker's desk until it can be sold. And when that comes in, obviously, boom, you see a boost. So he gets to see all that shit, which I don't know if that makes it illegal for him. No, he can share that because he's not technically sharing that. He's just saying when to buy and sell. I'm just gonna stop talking. I think I want to move this like over here. To me, it just I don't know. What do you think? No, you can see the gut down there. Just try right here. Uh-oh. What's going on? I should have sold my 1,000. But I'm going to listen to him. Mm, this is okay too. This angle. And it's kind of cool because you can see the charts back here. I want to put a Roku TV behind me. What do you guys think? I don't know what we'll put on it. Maybe CNBC. Maybe I'll just hook a wire up. I have the wire to my monitor. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, so he says DocuSign is coming down to the entry price, which I didn't even send out that text alert. So Doc, you um 53.75. Now, if I'm texting out stuff and you're like, dude, 53.75, I can't afford that. I have 2 grand in my account or I have $500 in my account. Please talk to me and send me a message so that we can set you up with a Tradenet account so that you can actually trade and not just make one trade and then wait for your pattern day trading rule to. I don't know how this shit works. I haven't dealt with it in forever, but I know it's impossible to trade if you don't have a ton of money. They put these rules against you. I have heard of use stock trade, which is $1 per trade. Let me send this out. Stop distracting me. And the funds clear immediately. Wow, we were just up some, huh? Okay, so Doc, you. Wow, I can't believe Beyond is up now. Um, oh man. Okay, my mark is 65. Trade price is 60. So maybe I can get it at 67. Now it's at 70. Should I sell it for 10? Let's go for 20. Let me actually look at the chart. Yeah, I could sell it for 80. Or is this really going to take off today? Cancel, replace order. It looks like kind of wants to really take off today, doesn't it? No. Oh, zoomies. Okay, 30, 40 is the target, but 30, 40. But I'm totally going to sell 1,000 here, taking a partial. Okay, still have 700 shares in. Roku, I don't know what you're doing. Looks like it's this, almost in this descending triangle formation. Mm, doesn't look good for Roku. It has to pop around here or it's over. Okay, DocuSign. I just sent it out. Okay, he says entry. This is not 55. He means 50. He can't mean 53. It's really annoying me. All right, I'm out of Beyond. I got out without losing any money. Matter of fact, I made $30. Um, got Beyond. I purchased Beyond calls twice. It's ridiculous. Didn't even mean to. Now this Roku is down. All I want to do is end my day up 10K, and then I'm gonna go celebrate. He thinks it's gonna go to 53 here. I don't see what he sees. Hey, what's up, man? You had sick calls today, bro. Sick, sick, sick calls. It was insane. But dude, what's up with the DocuSign? You say 53 entry. It's at 55 right now. You think it'll go down that much? Okay. All right. Yeah, yeah. You made me and a lot of people some money today, man. I'm almost up $10,000 on the day. I'm like $600 shy. So I'm trying to get there. I'm in on Zoomies. I'm in. I'm up $700 on Zoomies right now. Yeah. Fucking amazing. Oh yeah, what were you doing today? You were yeah. How'd that go with over there at Nick's place? At Nick's place. The Greek. Uh-huh. 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 What? No, he sounds like a piece of shit. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that is. Did you meet Steve or no? Steve the, the Greek. Okay. I don't know. I only know Steve. He's a very good guy, Steve. Nice guy. Yeah. Not really. Medium, yeah. Probably a little shorter. I'm I'm 6 foot. Yeah, if you could set up those algorithms from the onto my charts, that would be freaking incredible. Incredible. All right. So we're gonna meet up and then we'll like I'll pull out my charts. I mean, I'll pull up my Thinkorswim and then whatever, just throw your charts and all that stuff in there and then you have to have another program too, don't you? Hold on. The fuck did they put an alarm on for when you're like on the phone? It's so obnoxious. All right, go ahead. All right, so you got the one program and then the other. All right. All right, cool. So just show it to me when we link up. When are we linking up? Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Which computer did you buy? You said you got a new computer that was like Boss's, like a nice one. It was a HP or something like that. HP touchscreen. It's got the NVIDIA gaming chip in it and all that. 17.3. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. You don't remember the name? Pavel. I know what you're saying. Pavilion, Pavilion, Pavilion. Yeah, touchscreen, Pavilion. Nah, these. It couldn't be this one because these are only like 1,000. You said it was like 1,600. Uh, all right, I'll look around. Really? You have to wear a skirt? Oh, that's because the Greeks are friggin' Paris. Nothing. After trading, I'm gonna, I don't know. I ain't gonna do jack. Literally. I'm not gonna do anything. You know what we should do? All three of us? Let's open up a pizzeria. Yeah. That's a terrible lifestyle. I went to pizzeria yesterday and I just looked at the people working there and I'm like, "Oh my God, you are miserable. You're gonna go home at 11:30 after fucking cleaning out the goddamn, pizza station." And it's yeah. Hmm. Market is about to. What place are you going? Where are you going right now? Oh, okay. You gotta go to a tuxedo place for the uniform. Why is it that? Why so fancy? Alright. You'll make bank there though. You'll see, you'll see you'll see what's his name comes in there. Brian from Fox News. What's his name? Brian Killamede from Fox and Friends. He lives right there. So he goes to the diner, he goes to the gym there. Everybody in the community knows him. It's at 53 and change. All right, let me send out this alert real quick. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me do it with you on the phone so I don't have to look. So it's DOC. U entry point is 50 what? 53 what? 53.50. I'll just put 53.50. What's the stop loss target? No stop loss. I'll put UID on stop loss. That's they use their own discretion. Target. Okay, $1. Uh, okay. All right. Very good. I'll send it out. Send it out. I'm gonna trade it myself too. Oh, Roku came back up. Finally, I got. Man, I did really good today, man. I'm up $10,000 today. Heck yeah, that's good. Um, all right, let me go. Thank you for the trades. I'll talk to you soon because I got a bunch of open positions right now. All right, later. Bye. Beautiful. Roku's gonna go above 170 today. I guarantee it. Made $200 today in this account, so that's it. I made my 10 G's. I'm gonna lock in profits here. Position, market, sell, and then account 10,016. Position 10,044. Come on, 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 come on. I'm scared I'm gonna sell. If I sell market, it won't give it to me. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, 200 shares left in Roku. That's gonna go to 160. What's gonna go to 170? I might as well hold it. You suck. It's gonna go right below it. I know it. Look at the spread. It's 10 cents on 200 shares. It's 20 bucks. Oh, all right. They gave me my fill. A $10,000 day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. That's impressive. That's impressive. All right, we got to look at DocuSign. And I still have the only option I have left is one Roku option. By the way, you can sign up for our group below or above. It's only $40. That gives you everything. The text alerts, the I gotta take this. Hello. Good, good. How are you? Yeah. Sorry, it was early. I was cranky. Nothing. She's just not a good fit. I just I can tell she doesn't like me. I don't know. That's something I really want. Not really. I would definitely like to see if there's someone else I can work She had, she was just kind of acting, it's weird. She was acting as if, like I was saying,
Alright, everybody, Squawk Alley is live.
so we've apparently Roku's going down. The drain. Ugh, $10,000 day, ladies and gentlemen. That's just round of applause for me. And anybody else that took Lulu, who took Lulu overnight? Yeah, anytime the alarm goes off, I'm supposed to promote, but the phone rang, and I was still trying to pick up the phone and promote at the same time. I don't stop, guys. $40. $40. You can sign up lifetime. Get my text alerts and my wicka live stream interactive. But that's this screen. That's this monitor right here. And then the monitor right here is just charts. And then the monitor right there is the one you're looking at. And then the monitor right here is all the inside information that if you saw, I would go to prison. So sign up, and if you click on my page and see something that says the final countdown and that it says $25 until midnight, if you can find that, you can keep that. And you can sign up for $25. So click on my face, click on my page, facebook.com /Wolves from the Street, breakouttrading.net. I don't think I have a link to the here though. I need to do that to Facebook. Um, and just I have so many other ones. YouTube.com/C/Luke Breakout Trading. Thank you, Nolan. Appreciate that very much. I can't, Don. Honestly, I can't. But like, dude, they're being so non-transparent with me since this like World Series came up. That's why if you guys do sign up through any of my links or would like any of my links, please let me know. I'll post them now and I'll tell you what each one is. Um, and I should get an email from the tram leader, but haven't gotten anything. Who's the tram leader? The team leader. Yeah, they didn't say anything to me about that because I would obviously do something like that if that was required. Okay. That's breakouttrading.net. That's if you want to get an account like the one I have that has $160,000 balance. Now, obviously more than that, but you know, this is a $5,000 account, but with this one in particular, I did buy this one. I paid the 5,000. Um but prior to that, I had a $160,000 account that I didn't pay the 5,000, from a debit card for. I had a $80,000 account, which cost me like 2 grand. They gave me a deal on that one, and then I made $2,000 in the $80,000 account, which is easy to do. You can do that in like 2 minutes on a good day. And I took that 2,000 and I upgraded. So now, if I want, I can go upgrade to a $250,000 account. But I don't know if I want to do that yet because I like having a little like pillow between, and also I want to cash out this freaking money at the end of the month. I don't want to buy another account with it. So, but you can always use the money to upgrade, and it's only like 2 or 3 grand to upgrade. But the link I'm giving you is, to start. So you could start with a 14, and then once you make 2 grand in that 14, you upgrade to an 80, and then you upgrade to a 160, and then a two, and then finally you're in a $600,000 account, making $10,000 a day, doing nothing. I did nothing. Now, I'm, obviously minimizing it. It's taken me a decade to get to this point of trading. Crap, we're not watching DocuSign. It didn't hit 53. He said 53.50. All right, so I'm gonna find out about that team thing because that's important, and let me share to Facebook as well. Anybody that shares my videos will get $20,000. Took a call on Roku down for now. First time here. Hey, our I'm just gonna call you AI, man. I'm sorry. Our Afsha. Hey, Afshan. I'm so sorry. But that link is below is literally what I was discussing earlier. So let's see. What are you saying? Interested in your service? Is there a one-time charge or is it? It's a one-time charge but once the website is open, that option will no longer be available. So only people that signed up before the website get to pay one time and never have to pay again. So if you sign up now, you're golden. But once breakouttrading.net is finished, it's only going to be subscription accounts. So get your lifetime account while you can. It's going to come with other perks, like you can invest in the business, you could buy shares, which pay dividends, and it's a cool system. And I seen another company do this that wasn't a financial company, and I'm not going to say which one. And they sold 10% equity in their business to their employees, or they gave it away. Because actually, they gave most of it away. They didn't really do any of the selling. The selling was done by, traders. I mean, by the people that bought the equity. So in other words, I guess there was a group of people that helped him build his empire or whatever, and he gave back. And I literally went to a store the other day to get these little cards that would prove you're a shareholder. Now, obviously, you need more than a card. There would be contracts and, um, what is it? Release of liabilities and things of that nature. But that is. What do you have Cash App? Because I've just started using Cash App and I actually like it because I don't invest in Bitcoin, but they do have a Bitcoin option, which I found pretty cool. So you can convert your money to Bitcoin. So if you have Cash App, just download that. Super simple. Um, where's the lifetime upgrade? I'll give it to you right here. Where's that cheap one? Here's the lifetime upgrade, Corey. In order to get funded account, do I need to qualify? Nope. Sean, you could just get the $80,000 account. You just click the link. If you want an $80,000 account, give me a call. Oh, it looks like Roku's doing good. Give me a call and I'll set you up and I'll make sure you get in. And I'll make sure you get a good account manager as well. Um, so Sean, I don't know who you are because you didn't put your last name. So just, message me. Corey Weeks, welcome to the club, my friend. Yeah, you know what? Corey is right. I'm like scrolling down to get to your message. It is better to start with a 14, because you never know. I don't know what kind of trader you are. If you're brand new, start with the 14. Don't go in too heavy. But if you got some experience, you still have to learn the platform, you know. It's up to you essentially, and everybody does what they're gonna want to do. But team, I should. I should. I signed up for the World Street. Okay, cool, Corey. Thank you. I'm gonna add you to the private group we have on Telegram, and I gotta upgrade you to life as well. You still have executive next to your name. You're now an affiliated shareholder. Yay, yay. All right, I'll have to change that later. Corey Weeks, executive. Let me add you to here. Again, I urge everybody to join this World Series of trading. Why not? You only have to do it for 4 days. You could do it for up to 6 days, and you only got to make $24,000 to pretty much win the competition. That's what the last winner won in 6 days. $24,000. That's nothing. Even though I traded overnight, most of that money was made throughout the day. About 6 grand of it, and then about 4 grand was made overnight. But still, made about 10 grand in one day. So you can't tell me, Jackie. I'm coming down the questions right now. Where's the Zoomies will go up to 30, 40. It's struggling. Okay, so if you feel it's struggling, if ever, and I want to make this crystal clear. Okay, uh, if ever you're in a stock, you know, you're a trader too. So you have the right to say, all right, I think this looks like it's struggling on the end. Well, it does, but you do have some form of consolidation here. And it looks like a ascending triangle to the upside. So it's very likely that this will break up past 30. I think so. Do you see the ascending triangle? Let's get the magical graph of charts out. Magical graph of charts. Where are you? Okay. So an ascending triangle looks like this. It basically taps a line and it consolidates to the upside. So this basically is tapping the view app and consolidating to the upside. This, to me, I see ascending triangle. Um, it definitely could break out if you feel a little, exposed. And what I mean by that is maybe you took a huge position in this. You can always sell some shares now. Sell some of your shares, 3/4, whatever it be. I mean, we're only aiming for 340. It's $1 up, but all right, let me go back. Um, no, I have $120,000 account, but want to use bigger and separate account. So go ahead, do it. If you have $120,000, what's 2,600 bucks to you, even if you did lose it? You know what I'm saying? And odds are you won't. You're just growing your account. Well, you got to realize you can always take positions in that account that you're not willing to take with your actual money. You might say, you know what, I want to take in earnings play with such and such, but I'm not willing to do it in my account. So I'll do it in a Tradenet account because I know the most I can lose is only, whatever, 2,600. They don't come after you for the rest of the money. So you could do an earnings play. It's a smart way to do it. And some people do that. If they want to do an earnings play and they know that if they're wrong on that earnings play, well then instead of doing it in their account, they'll just go ahead and they'll do it in a Tradenet account because they know they don't got to pay it back. Wow, Roku's killing it right now. Roku, Roku. Love it. All right. Do we need to use their platform? Yes. I've been trading for 2 years. Um, uh, uh, what am I? What's my status? Paven, you are a you're affiliated shareholder. So that means you're in the golden crew. It means you get first dibs on anything that's special. And then yeah, anybody above the golden crew is just LI or LT for lifetime. Executive means you're pretty much expired and I can boot you at any time, but I usually try to contact you first. How can I sign up for the World Series? I want to be in your team. Oh, great question. And I don't know if somebody probably sent you. Um, yes, once you pay, you can get alerts on your cell. Afshman. I'm sorry, I can't say your name correctly. You have to tell me how to say it. If I find that $25 link, will you accommodate me? I will use my debit card. Here, let me help you. Even though you don't have PayPal, you have a debit card. So you don't have to use your PayPal uh, account. You don't have to have a PayPal account to use this link. You can just punch in your card. Once you punch in your card and you pay, please contact me and I will help you set it up. It's very simple. It goes right to your phone. If you have a regular smartphone, you just have to download the Telegram app. Make sure it's the Telegram Messenger app. The um, logo is a paper airplane with a blue background around it. The World Series is right here to sign up. Now, it's very important when you sign up for the World Series that you tell them you are joining Team Breakout Trading because they have 6 sponsored teams. Screw them. We're better than them. Trust me. And I also offer some incentives. If you get first place, you'll get $1,000 cash from me personally. Second or third. Second, you'll get 300. Third, you'll get 200. There's your World Series. Oh, that was the wrong one. Here's the World Series. And very important that when you sign up and screenshots, you're going to see, they're going to send you a little thing to fill out that looks like this. Hang on 1 second. I can't find it right now, but they're going to send you a thing and it's going to say who's your team, and then it'll allow you to click on a thing that'll show you a list of teams. You don't put that. You just type in Team Breakout Trading and you let your rep know you're in Team Breakout Trading. And by the way, the winner wins a $240,000 account for free. And then on top of that, in our group, we win prizes as well. So place 1 through 20 wins a prize automatically. Okay. And then plus our team, first place winner on our team is going to get a free $80,000 account. And then the 2 runner-ups get a $14,000 account. Okay. I believe we have more than 20 people on the team at this time. Um, so yeah, Let me just go back here, if you don't mind. I just signed up. How do I get your team? Ren, if you can hear me, I did you get the paperwork yet to, and did you put team breakout trading? You should get a reply by email. Yes. Oh, you got it already. Okay. No paper work. Yeah. Okay. So when you get the paper, they'll just type in breakout trading. Guys, I will be back in about 2 seconds or so. Let's take a look and watch Roku soar like a butterfly. Because I still am in Roku. I have options. All right. There we go, Roku. How'd you go down, though? My favorite stock. All right. Powell speaking soon. Yeah, we could probably get a good TVIX play in. Or I'll do UVXY calls rather. I'm not gonna touch this account. Wow, look at Roku go. All right, Roku just broke into $4. This option. Let me flip this over here. It just broke into 410. My target is 445. I don't know. It'll hit 445 if we can go into 470. Cancel trade. No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh yeah, I opened up a second account. I have to cancel that. There we go, Roku. No, we don't short when Powell speaks per se. We don't know what he's gonna say. There's a high probability that when he speaks, the market goes down, but sometimes it has no effect. I have no idea what Powell's even speaking about. He might just be having a normal talk, and he could say something like the economy is good, or and that could boost the market. So it's hard to say. It's at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. All right, so we got an hour, so we'll see. And I'll keep an ear out to hear what he's gonna talk about. I got CNBC running over here. There we go. Come on, Roku. There we go. Now we're getting very close to my target. My target's gonna fill. I'm wondering if I should raise my target. I think I should raise the target a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna break 170. Maybe I should raise the target. Okay, another rate cut. So then maybe, yeah, you short before he speaks. Best thing to do would be to buy some cheap options on UVXY. That way you really can't get hurt. Or you can do a spread and put your delta at 0, and then whichever way it goes, you'll make money, theoretically. So trade. So UVXY. I could do a spread or a straddle. Or you can sell the puts to pay for the calls, but you got to do all that in a margin. You don't want to buy today's. You just don't. Maybe get the 74s with a 30 delta and an 8 gamma. Let's go some 30 to 37. Roku, what are you doing, man? Eh, 10,000. That'll probably break down to 7,000. Let's go to cheap. Um, Definitely gonna break. Zooms is about to break into 30. There you go. Those of you that patiently waited. I did not want to wait. I just wanted my 10,000. My 10,000. Docu, let's see how that's doing. I don't think that went down to 53.50. Or did it? Wow. Oh no, that's not 53.50. That's 54.50. So that's a no fill. Zoom as TVX, Roku. I'd like to do it over the weekend. What is this? Why are these two lit up? What does that mean when they're lit up? I would leave on a Friday. I would come back on a Monday. You know what? I could trade from anywhere. What am I saying? Make it a 1 weeker. One adult coach. What's premium economy? Let me see how much coach is first. Oh yeah, we're sticking with coach. Oh wow, look at the price go down. Wow, wow. Did I hit round trip? Yeah, I had to do a round trip. Otherwise, I wouldn't have picked two dates. 498 American Airlines. No, you want to go Alitalia when you go to Italy. Also, I don't want to go on a Boeing 737 Max either. Can I make that a requirement? These are all very cheap. I see how this thing works. They show you the expensive ones, so it looks like you're getting a deal, but it's always around 500 for a trip to Florida. I mean to Italy. Okay, here we go. Alitalia. JFK. Always LaGuardia sucks. It's a nightmare. Literally nowhere to charge your phone. It's just everything about it is terrible. And hey, I got a question, guys. Breakout traders. If we did Antonio and I a trading summit, so it would feature, obviously I'd be there. It would feature myself. It would feature um, Antonio Hedges. It would feature um, one of his friends who is a very successful hedge fund manager. Um, don't have any massive names. I don't know if we can get Cohen on board, but if we could do that, if we had some sort of summit in New York where you can fly in, you heard how on the phone Tony Hedges was going to teach me, the chart layouts and all that stuff. If we had some kind of summit where you would come out here, we'd make a deal with a hotel to give you like a cheap price, like maybe $100 a night, something like that. You fly out. Would anybody come to that summit? Essentially, what you would be learning is how hedge funds trade, and 2 days. It'd be a 2 day summit. You'd learn how a hedge fund trades. You would have regular, like training and all the things these guys could teach you. Also, I'd have Marvin come there, who's my mentor, who could teach you freaking incredible options plays. He doubled his investment. He had a $30,000 investment in Tesla. He doubled it, even though he was buying shares, picking up shares slowly of Tesla. He doubled that account size when Tesla went down from like 300 to 200. But it'd be a 2 day summit featuring me, Antonio Nasta, Marvin, other people from Tony's hedge fund, and you'd all come there to learn. Obviously, these guys are not gonna want to do it for free, but I'll convince them, you know, Get like if we get like if we got the whole breakout trading team to do it, that would be cool. Like for the World Series, if we win the World Series. Um, no, not interested. I think it would be cool. You guys would come out. I would get to meet you people. That sounded wrong. I'd get to meet followers face to face. You'd learn. Obviously there'd be food. We'd eat. You know, sounds cool. I know, but I don't know if anybody would come. It's an expensive shindig to put together because, first of all, we got to make sure the hotel's got all these rooms locked down for you at a good rate. And then, second, we got to lock down some sort of, or you could literally go to the firm and we could teach you guys there. And we would do that, I guess. We would get some kind of like bus or limo, or has to be thought out more, but I always thought it'd be cool to bring members down. I think I'm gonna wait for that for when the website's fully up and active and running, and yeah. All right, Facebook. I'm gonna end that video, Facebook only, because I have to do a recap, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to do that recap. So, let me end Facebook. How's uh, how's that stock doing, by the way? Zoomies, Zoomies. Come on, Roku. We all know you're gonna break 170. Stop playing games. All right. So sorry, Afishi. I think Roku is gonna hit 170. No, it's a one-time charge, Afishi. For now. Well, it'll always be. If you sign up and it's a one-time charge, it's a one-time charge and you're in for life. But we're only doing this until the website is ready. And then once the website is ready, then people who sign up are going to have to start paying, a subscription fee. But you, one-time fee for life. If you lose in the student program on any moment, $4,000, you are out. Uh, no, no. The max drawdown is on the student program is 80 $76,000. So all you can't do is bring the account below that value. They'll automatically sell all your orders and lock your account. They have to do that to protect their money, obviously. But if you bring your $80,000 account to 90,000 and you lose 4 grand, that's fine. It doesn't mean anything. game over trading during the day on accumulative days. What do you mean game over trading? What is this term? What does that mean? There we go, Roku. Roku's about to break 170. Oof. I should change the target. I don't know if I could do it quick enough. Change the target just in time. Hopefully that was the right thing to do. Is it gonna break? Here we go. Let's see. 90. I would have sold out at 45. So it would have sold already. Um, and I changed my target to 60. It's not much of a change. It's $15. Let me fix that. Cancel, replace. Come on, come on. Did it break 70? It did break. This is not good. This could be a double top because it did this before. See? Boom. And then came right down. And it broke over 70 here just a little bit as well. What did it break over though? I hope you mean I didn't. When you say thanks, you answered the question, Luke. Thanks. I hope you don't mean like I answered the question because I didn't know what game over trading was, and you're assuming I'm an idiot. But what is game over trading? What is that? Here we go again. All right, let's go. Let's go, Roku. I literally saw Zoomies, Lulu, and DocuSign as the biggest winners on that list. Did nobody else see that? It includes unrealized losses too. Unrealized losses. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, yes. Oh no. I think it's over. No, I don't think it's over. Not at all. Because look, when it did this, you could tell it was overextending itself. But this is a nice, slow, smooth, steady, and we've already broken over it, which means we got rid of all those sellers. Mm, I've never seen anything like this before. It's like 10 fake outs. It's like it's trying to trick you out, but you're not going to trick me out. Go ahead. Let's take a look at it on a better chart. What? All right, here's a better chart. Ooh, yeah, that's not good. Come on. Okay, there's literally a buy crossover right here. So that's a buy signal, that arrow. Which crossover is that? That's the, where does it tell you? Come on. At 12 o'clock, that's when you're gonna see it. Yes, I am. It is 12 o'clock. We could get ready to take a really small position if you want in like some TVIX, I mean UVXY, because they are mentioning investors may get scared and blah 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 blah. UVXY, but I don't want to spend anything on this crap because I don't want to care if I lose it, even if it's the entire thing, because the market could go the other way. So you could buy today's options, but you gotta buy them and sell them like right away. You can't hold these guys. All right, here we go. I should have waited till around 12:30. That's what I would suggest you do. Wait till around 12:30. So let me go ahead and put that alert in. Roku! Roku broke 170. Now it's killing it. It's killing it. Uh-oh. I should raise my target. I did it. Got it in. Whew. Almost got filled low. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Charts. What is Roku's Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead. It's hitting resistance. It's Oh, I got filled. Alright, not bad. 120 on one option. But you see how I kept raising and raising and raising the target as the stock was getting larger? To be honest with you, man, what did I sell it at? 470 to 472.50, 475. I think I undersold it. But you know what? I kind of want to get on with the day here. I want to wait for the Fed. I'm going to send out this text alert right now on the Fed, what to buy just in case. Ooh! Who sold at the perfect timing? That's called a peak sale when you sell at the peak. But I didn't sell at the peak. This is going to 190. Let's wait for the Fed to speak. I'm going to go ahead and do the daily recap. So here you go. Here I'll show you that I'm down $3, 350 already on these UVXY calls. They expire today. It was very stupid of me to buy this. That's why I put a big warning in the text alert. But like I said, this is money I don't care about. If the Fed speaks, it'll skyrocket and I'll sell it immediately. If the market dumps. If the Fed speaks and the market does nothing, well, then I'll just sell it and I lost $4. No risk, no reward. Oh, Roku's going to keep going. I should have held. All right, do I have any text alerts that I put to wait for instruction? DocuSign never filled, or did it? Yeah, Docu never filled. Uh, Zooms. Okay, it went up to 3016. Um, I'm going to reply. Okay, 293.93. I mean 29.93 is a good partial point, and I put sell if it goes below 293. Um, Zooms, Roku calls. I hope you guys sold those by now. Um, Welcome, Afshan. I see you. You'll be added shortly. There's nothing else going on for the rest of the day, so don't sweat it. I'll catch you in a little bit. If you follow the directions, then I can get you in right away. Let's see. Uh, 90% of people that sign up, they never follow. But it's not their fault. It's the phone. If you sign up on your phone, you can't see the directions. We use TD Ameritrade as well as Tradenet, which is a funded program. So basically, you put up your money, they'll give you 20 times that money, and you just have to give them a percentage of your gains. It's pretty cool. So I have a $160,000 account. You can get that for like five G's, and I give them like 20% or 15, whatever it is. And they have accounts for $350. Um, Here, I could just literally share it with you. They have accounts for $350, and for that you get a $14,000 in buying power. And this program is just now catching on, but it's going to be huge in 2 years. Probably go public. Um, that is it. And then, I mean, here it is, literally just like on screen. They have a sale right now. Usually this is $500, but the sale, if you could click the discount link, you can get this stuff really cheap. So it shows you right here. Intro program, $14,000. Max you could lose is 700. But keep in mind that just means you can't bring the account below 13,300. But if you bring your account up to 15,000, you can lose 1,000. That's fine. You'll be back at 14, but they won't shut the account down. They only shut the account down if you go below 13,300 and you have this account for life. This one you get 80,000. This is the one I have, 160,000, and this is the pro program is 240,000. They also have a $400,000 program and a $600,000 program. But look at the amount of money you can make. I mean, look, $10,000 I made today. This is a $5,000 account, and I've been using it for months now, just making profit off of it. So, um, anywho, all right. See, I knew I was gonna knock it over. Why'd you guys get me excited? But I had the lid on, thank God. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the daily recap. Maybe I should change that text alert to get the heck out now, because I don't know if this is gonna go to 171. What's all-time highs on this? 173. So it could go to 171.19. Hmm. 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 Huh. Huh. Say huh. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna shoot the daily recap video. I'm gonna keep you guys the private session. I'll keep you guys open. Uh, YouTube. I'll see you in a little visit.